Hi friends, we have already seen more MCQs on coronavirus or COVID 19 related questions in part 1 and 2. And in part 3, we started to see about coronavirus vaccine related questions. This video is a continuation of coronavirus vaccine and coronavirus related things. If you missed part 1, 2 and 3, the link is given below in description or press the above icon. By the way, we have successfully reached 100 subscribers. Thanks to all and keep supporting us. If you are still watching Brain Blaster without subscribing, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant notification for each videos. Now let us start our today's session. Today's first question: which bank has committed 11 crores to submit the Indian government COVID-19 vaccination drive? State Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India, Canara Bank, or Punjab National Bank? The correct answer is option A, State Bank of India. The next question: each dose of Pfizer contains dash micrograms of vaccine. The options are 10 micrograms, 21 micrograms, 30 micrograms, 25 micrograms. The correct answer is option C, 30 micrograms. The next question: what is the shipping temperature for Sputnik V vaccine? 0 degree Fahrenheit, 1 degree Fahrenheit, 2 degree Fahrenheit, 3 degree Fahrenheit. The correct answer is option A, 0 degree Fahrenheit. After thawing, a vial of Pfizer vaccine must be used within how many days? 3 days, 2 days, 1 day, 5 days. The correct answer is 1 day. One shot of Pfizer vaccine contains how much volume of vaccine? The options are 0.1 ml, 0.2 ml, 0.3 ml, 0.4 ml. The correct answer is option C, 0.3 ml. The disease that can be transmitted to human from animal is dash. Typhoid, zoonotic, malaria, AIDS. The correct answer is option B, zoonotic. The next question: CRISIL has estimated India's GDP growth for the year 2021 is dash. Options are 3.5%, 3.6%, 3.7%, 3.3%. And the correct answer is option A, 3.5%. Who started ISAC scheme because of COVID-19 lockdown? Options are IIT Mumbai, IIT Delhi, IIT Rourkela, IIT Gandhinagar. The correct answer is IIT Gandhinagar. RBI has cut down the repo rate by how many percentage during lockdown? Options are 4.4 percentage, 4.2 percentage, 4.3 percentage, 4.5 percentage. The correct answer is 4.4 percentage. Which state became India's first state to launch self-assessment in order to treat COVID-19 patients? Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Goa, or Odisha? The correct answer is option C, Goa. Which state government's minister decided to donate 1 month salary to CM Relief Fund? Options are Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Goa, or Odisha. The correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Who come forward with WHO in order to spread awareness among people regarding COVID 19? Priyanka Chopra, Virat Kohli, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan. The correct answer is Option A, Priyanka Chopra. Who announced the use of unerasable ink for the identification of quarantine people? Options are WHO, Punjab government, Election Commission, PM official. The correct answer is Election Commission. Which medicines export was restricted because of coronavirus? The options are cyclopen, paracetamol, Mancol, hydroxychloroquine. The correct answer is option D, hydroxychloroquine. Which state minister launched self-declaration COVID-19 app? Bihar, Odisha, Manipur or Nagaland? The correct answer is option D, Nagaland. Which state minister launched Rajkot Nagrik app COVID-19 app? Delhi, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Mizoram. The correct answer is Rajasthan. Who started Operation Namaste in order to tackle COVID 19? The options are Coast Guard, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, Indian Army. The correct answer is option D, Indian Army. Who is the founder of Bharat Biotech Limited Company? Dr. Raman Mathur, Dr. Aditi Singh, Dr. Rohit Khatri, Dr. Krishna M. Ella. The correct answer is Krishna M. Ella. Bharat Biotech International Limited Company headquarters is situated in Karnataka, Hyderabad, Bengal or Chennai. The correct answer is option B, Hyderabad. The next question, Bharat Biotech International is a dash type of company. The options are Indian Biotechnology, Indian Medicine, Indian IT Technology, none of these. The correct answer is Indian Biotechnology. On which day Bharat Biotech got permission to conduct phase 1 and 2 human trials of a developmental COVID-19 vaccine? 29 June 2020, 30 June 2020, 31 June 2020, 1 July 2020. The correct answer is 29 June 2020. Who approved and provided for developing a fully indigenous COVID 19 vaccine to the Bharat Biotech? ICMPs, ICMRs, ICTGs, none of these. The correct answer is option B, ICMRs. Bharat Biotech partnered with which company to develop a COVID 19 vaccine? ICMR, Flugen, both A and B, none of these. The correct answer is option B, Flugen. Flugen company is based on which country? Russia, China, USA or UK? The correct answer is option C, USA. Today's session is over. If you want to see full MCQ about coronavirus and coronavirus vaccine, check the link in description. For more MCQ for competitive exam, like, comment and subscribe our channel. Let us all meet in our next video. Until then, keep your brain blasting with new questions every day. Jai Hind.